Kablay pibara season 4 akan ika video kumamta ngan pentip syafi ya ki kubor laikam balapan mi daka Government of Meghalaya State Rural Livelihood kalapan mi ya daka advertisement ya ki post Cluster Coordination General pajaki jaka pat kandai haka Block Emission Management Unit matkin pia ruhala kijong ki unit pantray Badia kini ki post bapia ban apply kadai yaki balapas graduate hakano ka stream bapia ban apply tira da pilong eligible yakini ki post lane interest yakini post desa page yakini ke video hadu banakut nang mapin sutu company hakabedai bat kini ki post bat ya kiwe ki jingdan kam teka Meghalaya State Rural Livelihood Society ka code online application yaki citizen ki badai trasinong hapo ka Meghalaya Pendap yaki post cluster coordinated general haki block mission management unit yaki bakwa ban apply yaki niki post ki candidate ki haban submit online yaki application form ki jongpi haka MSRL bat ka last date ban submit yaki application kin pedang hadu ka arpentrik banai Oktober arajar apsau dia niki post bat kandai haka contractual basis bat ki kamsim bahaya ki kandidat ki badai tresnong hapo ka Meghalaya. Tementang ini page no yaki kerteng jong ki post place of posting region unit bat kiwi place of posting block mission management unit ki post kadai cluster coordinator general bat ka region khasi bat garo. Tika unit nakamta ki khasi region kadai hapo bahai rembong lum senong mau kenrau Mairang, Namdong, Rambrai, Rimuliang, Saipung, Bat, Sialang. Kipus balaj hadu arpenyutuli kipus baro apo garo bat gadai dokre batabari betasing cokpat damalgre kartuka pura kasya siju songsat dikri kita kipus balaj hadu arpelai teli baro nungta kajing siu yakini kipus kadai perlu wajar haka si benai bat ka qualification bat experience paningkong kadai degree sajrong bapia ban apply kasnem pat yakini kipus within 30 years of age kemot hapo life husnem pia ban apply bat kan dondu ka age relaxation sans nem yaki SC/ST category candidate balai experience minimum of 1 year working experience in working with the poor in the area of social mobilization institution buildings and capacity building. Nang tabasau individual having experience in training rural masses. Basan computer skill with emphasis on MS Word, MS Office, Google Sheet Extra. Jadi bantuan kajing tiap syapang ki komputer haka MS Office, Google Sheet bat kiwi Tiki kandidat ki bakwa ban apply yakini ki post pihak ban lek haka website msrls.nic.in ketarik kin pedang hadu ke Frederick Oktober rajar apsau candidate should obtain at least 45% mark from recognized university or institution. Jadi banyo laku menok 100% mark sajrong lakadai hakano ka university lane institution. Tapi pendep yaka degree. No application is required to be paid along with the application. Te tenkam ban sew yaka by application hakapor bapi submit lang yaka application bat kiwi ki jing tenkam. Te yaka ki post pihak ban lek kam sajngai bat pide ro bansa akisnong kumba khat sansi EA tela dapik pa ban apply te kiba kiha ban le katkum kajing pta jongka Meghalaya State Rural Livelihood Society. Pat ki kandidat ki banang bantho lane bankren haka tin kasi local language ki kam simha ba video ban apply. Pat ki dokumen ba pin sapilang haka por ba pi submit ek application kadai kem ka post size photograph signature self attested copy certificate document certificates are required to be submitted of the following date of birth address proof certificate for the highest educational qualification only caste lane tribe certificate is applicable ladder.com. Disability certificate is applicable ladder.com. Working experience certificate only. Internship certificate are not allowed and curriculum BT CV. Method of recruitment. Ki shortlist candidate ken sapentip yapi haki email, SMS lane telephone call banpoi haka selection process tekandon ka exam preliminary exam batkin test yaki verbal quantitative and analytical bat kiwe ki jingtan kam haka bedai bat keniket test. Tiya ka exam sentar bantho kandai hapo shilong te ka khamsuk yapi baro bapen apply yakini ki post. Tetang kini kecing pentip haka bedai bat kine keblai sibon yin sekendupan.